Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing my face for the first time, my name is OGOM'S, a Nigerian YouTuber based in Abuja, FCT, Nigeria. So today I'll be showing you how to get rid of cold, cough, and catarrh from your kids. Okay, so we'll be using one ingredient, you see, one product. Say hi, say good morning everyone. So LOTANNA has cold and catarrh, and for that he didn't go to school. So I'll be trying out this simple remedy, natural remedy, for which I have been using for him and his brother, and it has been proven effective. So it's none other than using silver bed and hot water. So I'll be showing you the silver bed and the process for which I prepare it. So for this, we'll be needing very hot water, okay? Very hot water. Hey. Sit. And then few drops of this silver bed. So I don't know if you can see this. This is silver bed. So this will serve as our rub. I'll be writing the benefits of this silver bed on the screen. So you have to be very fast with it. I usually remove his clothes, everything, so that it will be entering his body direct, like to enter his body well. So guys, we are done and dusted. So we'll be trying this also at night. It's going to clear up the blocked nose. You will see everything coming out. Like, I needed to suck that thing out. I don't know, my mom taught me how to do it. So that silver bed, it's actually very effective in clearing cough and catarrh in kids. And even in babies, you can do it for your baby. But please remember that whenever you're trying this out, if you know that you can't hold your baby, please get somebody else to do that. I have a case with my first son. He actually had hot water pour on his head. Even while I was holding him with my husband, he struggled a lot and poured hot water on himself, and he has a mark on his head. So please, if you know you can't try it out yourself, you guys should be too, and make sure you are holding your baby very well so that the hot water doesn't touch any of this body. So that's it for today and video. LOTANNA, say bye. Bye. So first of all, we'll be removing LOTANNA's clothes. And we'll be needing very hot water. which is silver bed. So you'll be dropping few drops into the water. You have to hurry up. So we are done and dusted. My mom actually taught me how to suck nose, how to suck children's nose. Okay? So some people will say, hey, you're sucking in jams and the rest of them. I do the rest. And not every time. Blow harder, harder, harder. Sometimes I blow harder, harder. Sometimes I blow air inside the nose for it to come out. And sometimes I suck when I'm in the mood. So this particular thing, an adult can equally use it. You just have to cover yourself inside and soak it in. Like you will see the Cattarh coming out like very, very well. So this silver bed has been proving very effective. If you want to do silver bed for your kids, you can get this in any pharmacy shop or in a supermarket or people that sell baby things. This is actually called stimulation again. I will get the right name and put it on the screen. So this has been proving very effective to get rid of cough, catarrh in your kids. Is very, very effective. Like you will, why I removed LOTANNA's clothes is that I wanted it to enter his body. Like you will see it will enter his body, that when he's coughing, you will know that something actually worked. So that was why I removed his clothes, so that it will enter his body. Please remember that 2 people need to hold your child if your child struggles a lot. I have a case with my first son. If this is a video that you can relate to it, please do give it thumbs up, like, comment, share any of my videos if you like any, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Cheese. Say cheese, LOTANNA. Say cheese. LOTANNA.